Christy and welcome back to my channel. Bonjour à tous, bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube. Mabuhay! Sa mga kababayan ko, welcome to my channel, CristySushi&KIDS. Je vais vous partager la recette. So, gagawa tayo ng panibagong recipe ng sushi roll. What are the ingredients? What are the ingredients? And now we're going to spread the sushi rice on the seaweed, and we need to cover completely the seaweed with a thin layer of rice. Please don't put a lot of rice because after that we cannot close the roll. And please remember, don't mash the rice down, but be sure it sticks to the seaweed. Sushi, you need to fold the mat over, starting at the end where the ingredients are, and then tucking in the end of the seaweed to start the roll. You just keep rolling and lifting up the mat as you go, and keeping pressure even but gentle until you have finished the roll. Don't worry if there's anything falls out off the side, because after that you can push it back in. Si vous aimez cette vidéo, mettez un like et n'hésitez pas à partager. Merci vraiment d'avoir regardé et j'espère à bientôt. Au revoir. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit that button, and don't hesitate to share with others, like a circle of your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching, and hoping to see you soon in my next video. Bye!